Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We got a package from To Go Express. So let's go ahead and open it. Let's go. Okay, so we have here a package from Patricia of Xinyu Yi Street, Mayuan Village, Champing Town, Dongguan City. That's probably in China. Okay, and you can see here some of the product names. Okay, so this is just a small package, and let's see what we got. Oops, I think I need to use my Swiss knife to open it. There you go. So this should contain some bricks, alternate bricks figures, and let's see who we got. Boom. Okay. So we have a bunch of them. We have, I think this is Danny Moonstar, Wolfsbane, Wolverine wearing Christmas. We have Firestar. Okay. We have Magma. And we have another Wolverine Weapon X. Okay. For this particular video, we're just going to open the Magma. Okay. So let's open her. The Magma, as you know, is New Mutants. So let's see how they're able to apply the Magma effect. So you can see transparent. Okay. Oops. There's a hand stuck on the foot. Let's put on the arms first. Okay, hands to the arms. Okay. And you can see the tiny detail there of the flame around the arm and the shoulder. Okay. That, again, small detail goes a long way with these minifigures because it's so hard sometimes to distinguish them with other characters. You cannot seem to put the arms all the way through, so we're gonna keep it like that. And then the Magma effect. And finally, the orange hair. And that's it. We have here from the New Mutants, Magma. Okay, but we're not gonna stop there. Of course, this is Pinoy Heroclix. So let's put this aside for now and look at a Heroclix of Magma. So this is the New Mutants team base. I was looking for characters named Magma, and I just realized that Magma has been clicked only once. Okay, so you can see her in her glory in this New Mutants team base together with the other members. Okay, that's Cannonball. Okay, so new Magma as a New Mutant, of course, is an up-and-coming superhero for the X-Men. Okay, she has, as the name suggests, geothermal energy. She can control magma, produce, I think, and control magma, has healing powers when she's in contact with the earth, and all those related stuff. Okay, so let's take a look at the Magma card individually. Okay, while I display to you guys the minifigure. So Magma is from the Wolverine and the X-Men set. New Mutants is the lone keyword. Okay, so she has a special attack power, energized form. So that means when she's on Magma form, translucent form. So Magma can use poison and quake and deals penetrating damage when using them. So that's very thematic. Point value of 77 and a special damage power. Magma and adjacent friendly characters ignore 1 penetrating damage dealt to them each turn. Okay, so absorb the flame. So that's a bit powerful. Okay, so because although it's once per turn, okay, that can be critical at times. Okay, and in the team base, using her on the team base would enable the team to use poison. Okay, Amara Akilia, New Mutants number 8 is a significant appearance. You can see the cover there. Okay, so I hope that they make another Magma in the up and coming Deadpool and the X and Weapon X set in Heroclix. It's been a while since we had modern Magma in Heroclix. So that's why I got this minifigure. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And bye-bye!